Weather Service in Columbia has issued a tornado warning for central Lexington County in central South Carolina, north central Aiken County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southeast of Ridge Spring, or 9 miles south of Batesburg-Leesville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected. Tornado. Source, radar indicator. At rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage.
Oh, come on.
Casey, Springdale, Oak Grove, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, Pine Ridge, Columbia Metro Airport, and South Carolina State Farmers Market around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Columbia, West Columbia, St. Andrews, Riverbank Zoo, West Columbia Riverwalk, 5 Points, Columbia International University, South Carolina State Fairgrounds, and Harbison State Forest around 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Seven Oaks, Olympia, Rosewood, Fredonia, Bundrick Island, Gilbert, Summit, Murray, Edmond, and Casey Riverwalk. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 31 and 68. Interstate 26 between mile markers 100 and 117. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 7.